the previous video, we introduced the tools needed for IC replacement. Now let's move on to locating and removing the faulty IC. First, we identify the faulty area on the front side of the LED module. The faulty IC is usually located directly behind the damaged area on the front side. Normally, ICs are arranged in groups of 3. The first controls red, the second green, and the third blue. In this case, we're replacing the middle one, which controls the green LEDs. To ensure accurate positioning, we disconnect the adjacent resistor to make room. Then check again from the front side to confirm we've located the correct IC. Next, we use a hot air gun to heat the area. Setting the temperature between 300 degrees Celsius and 350 degrees Celsius. Gently heat the IC until the solder softens. After heating, we perform another quick test. To make sure no other ICs were affected during the process. Before removal, apply some flux to improve soldering quality. Then, reinstall the resistor back to its original position. Carefully remove the faulty IC. Using a soldering iron set to about 300 degrees Celsius. Gently clean off any solder residue on the IC pads. All operations should be done carefully to avoid damaging the pads. The working area is now ready for IC installation. We'll cover that in the next video. See you soon.